was supposed to be a simple case.
It was, until you started an avalanche.
I started it. You were the one who...
Agents, look out!
The avalanche is gaining on us! Follow me, everybody!
Over there! Towards Ron! Jump!
We almost got snowed in.
Thanks for your help, agents. We never would have found our way home without you.
Of course. Everybody deserves to be home for the holidays.
Speaking of home, we should head back to CLADE before we miss all the celebrations.
Happy holidays!
See you, reindeer.
Power cell looks full enough to get home. Let's prepare for takeoff.
Think of all the cookies and candy canes waiting for us back home. If you ask me, that's the best part of the holidays.
Forget the food, kid. Think of all the presents. I just love trying to figure out what's inside. That's the best part of the holidays.
Well, this should tide you over. A present from the Stinkwells. Ooh, a new button. Wonder what it does.
Kit, wait. Their card says do not press until you've returned to CLADE. Guess they want to show us how to use it.
Another reason to hurry home.
Warning, strong winds from northeast. Please drive carefully.
Thanks, Ron. Check it out, kids. Up in the sky. The northern lights.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Whoa! Wind alert.
Whoa!
Wind alert. Time jump initiated.
Time jump?
That little clock's going backwards. Did this just...
Yep, I pressed the button. Huh?
What just happened?
Power cell empty. Out of power.
Uh-oh.
Brace for emergency landing. You okay, kids?
I'm fine. But what about Ron? Can you hear me, Ron? What did this button do?
I don't know, but Ron's lost all power. Better check for damage. Huh? Power cells drained?
Ron looks fine, but something feels different.
Was there always a big tree right there?
And where did the reindeer go? Ugh, got a lot colder, too.
This blizzard really came out of nowhere. The sky was clear a moment ago.
Sam.
And I don't remember seeing snow in the forecast.
Sam.
Wind, yes, but not...
Sam, look! What in the woolly world?
Are those... woolly mammoths?
Evening, folks. Quite a blizzard.
Mind if we rest a bit here?
You think they're frozen stiff?
No. I mean, yes. Of course you can rest here.
Much obliged.
Kid, I just spoke to a living, breathing woolly mammoth. I thought they were extinct.
They are. Woolly mammoths haven't been around for a long time. Sam, the button that got pushed, it had a clock going backwards. And Ron said something about a time jump. I think it sent us back in time to the Ice Age.